Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Hot Wheels Unlimited again. I know it's been a while, but you guys really seem to like this game, so I'm playing another one. And this time, I'm going to get the twin.
Where to next?
In the
Fan of the H-Dub City? Me too!
I already did one challenge, but it's not
Alright, I'm picking the one with 4 tires. What's your choice?
I'm going to pick Rocky Donkey.
Put the pedal to the metal, friend. This one's not gonna be easy.
What is that track? Oh, these are speed bumps. Take this. Lap 2. This is like I will kick you, you know. They probably slipped so bad. This is doing lap 3. There are 3 laps? Yep, there are 3. Should have looked at the top. Oh my god. Let's do
Race, champ! That was some serious racing!
1 minute.
Gotcha!
Yes.
Challenge clear!
To unlock Beast. I should have taken it. Another race.
Choose a car and let's race!
The boat. There's the Roger Dodger.
We are now live for the greatest race in the history of today!
Sweet drift. Oh, look. I posted that video. I think I
Challenge cleared.
don't know. Take photo.
All right, this Twin Mill 3 is ready to roll.
No, I didn't take a photo. Yes, baby.
One new prize coming right up. A boost and a hairpin. The turn kicker is crazy dangerous and fun.
Okay. Let's go try our new.
Fudge Studios presents Barbie's Magical Fashion.
Okay, let's go. Actually, I think I built a new thing. Yep, I built a new
Hey,
thing.
have you tried racing with a buddy yet? What you waiting for?
Let's make it no. Let's make it 2 laps.
Pick a ride, any ride.
What is a feather?
Light. The light edge grants a mini boost while airborne. Jump further, faster.
Ah.
Stunts. The stunts edge grants a mini boost when you land an air trick. Show. Last one at the finish line is, well,
Look
hopefully
at
not
this
you.
track that I built.
If you've enjoyed it, the rest of the world wants to try it too.
Let's go to the other track I built. Or did I already say it?
All right, let's go get some red wheels.
Let's get, I think this is the one. Super
Hey,
Dash.
have you tried racing with a buddy yet?
Let's
What you waiting
just
for?
make it 1 lap. For this
Choose a
video.
car and smash that race button.
Smash! Also, smash that like button for more videos like this one. And hit subscribe.
There's no way you're losing this one. I can feel it.
Very big. Did I? Hopefully I'm not playing this one. I think this is I think that was the same one. Super Dash.
Hey, have you tried racing with a buddy yet? What you waiting for?
No, this is, I think I pressed the wrong one again.
I recommend the one with 4 tires.
Let's do this.
Tap, 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 or eat some dust.
Let's play this game. Are you kidding me? What is happening?
Pushed them to their limits. Next one is yours. I know it. And the winner is... Tune it up.
That's
Cool race. Why don't you share it online so others can try it?
okay. I think
Onwards to
that's-
Hot Wheels City.
I think that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you smash that like button for more and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.